fabulous. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Dumebi Lea. If this is your first time coming on my channel, it's so good to have you guys here. I do hope you decide to join the happy family by subscribing. The subscribe button is just right there. It is free. YouTube won't charge you for subscribing, and I won't charge you. So yeah, I just realized some people don't really know that. So hit the subscribe button and the notification bell right beside it. That way you get notified whenever I drop new videos. So yeah, my last tutorial was about this hairstyle, and if you guys are interested in the hair, I'm going to link it down in the description bar, so you guys just check it out. This is my natural hair, which I colored, and then I made this crochet by myself, and I just did this entire very simple DIY hairstyle. But let's not talk about the hair. This tutorial is about this gorgeous makeup. Like, I feel like a unicorn. I feel like Barbie. I feel like Ariel. Ooh. You guys, I'm looking at my mirror over here just in case you were wondering. So this is about this makeup, and let's not just talk too much. Let's get right into this tutorial, guys. I hope you guys enjoy it. So guys, my brows are already done using the Miss Metics eyebrow pencil. So I'm just priming my eyes using my LA Girl Pro Primer right now. So going into my Warrior 2 palette from Juvia's, I'm taking that brown shade as my first shade. I'm just placing it over there. Then going into that wine colored shade, that burgundy shade, that will be my first transition shade, and I'm taking it into my inner crease. Then going into the Queen palette by Fumi X Juvia, I'm taking that red shade to blend out the burgundy shade. Now I'm going into the pink and taking that one just closer to my brow bone area to further blend out the transitions. So this purple shade is going to be my inner lid color. I'm taking it like the inner half part of my eyelid. I'm taking it upwards into my crease. Then that red shade is going to be on the outer half part of my lid, and also I will blend it upwards too. Man, like, the pigmentation was crazy. Like, I was so impressed. So blending that out, I'm using an eyeshadow brush to blend out the edges, to remove any harsh lines. Then for my gel liner, I'm going into the Beyond Beauty gel liner. So now I'm going into the Glitz and Glam Unicorn Sky glitter palette and just putting like a mixture of several colors, like a cocktail. I have pink there, I have green there, I have silver. Then I'm going into the Ovada Beauty chunky glitters to place those. The chunky glitters have like star shapes, so I'm just using that, and it's iridescent. Like, it depends on how you look at it and how the light reflects. Sometimes it's silver, sometimes it's like lemon. So going into these lashes that I got from Mills, I bought, actually, it's not PR, from Mills Beauty Perfection. These are like the most dramatic lashes I've ever seen, so I just popped that one on. So going over the liner once again with some gel liner, just like I wanted the glitter liner to be inside the black gel liner. So now for my face, I'm gonna be moisturizing my face using the Miss Metics Moisture Potion. This is a makeup base also, so but it's not going to stop you from oiling up. It's not an oil control. So I'm going into my Black Opal stick foundation in the shade Black Walnut. So to highlight my face, I'm going into the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 55. Together we can make it better, take it higher. They make you they do the things I no one do. Nobody they talk to me like say now you. So you like to get down to the group. They make me they be like say I'll be this boy no said it. Then I'll set my face using the Laura Mercier setting powder. I'm just pressing it right in. I'm not baking or anything like that. Together we can make it through. So for my powder, I'm going into the shade 205 from Beyond Beauty. I applied that all over my face, and I took a darker shade 206 to contour my face.
This boy, you know, said it the way you did do me to make me go low. I know, send all I want is to have you together.
So for blush, I'm using that purple shade from the Queen's eyeshadow palette. Then I'm using a combination of those two metallic shades over there as my cheek highlights, my cheekbone highlights. And of course, blending out the edges so it looks more natural. Highlighting the bridge of my nose, my forehead, my chin, my cupid's bow. So I'm priming my lips using a lip balm. Then I'm going to be lining it using a brown Davis pencil. Then for my lipstick, I'm going into the ZKL lip stain. That's a very like subtle shade of pink. I wanted the lips to be kind of nude. Then I'm priming my waterline using the Elegant Pro primer again. Then taking some purple eyeshadow to cover up that primer because I wanted the liner to be purple. Then going into the Warrior 2 palette once again, I'm taking that gray shade to smoke out my lower lash line. Then I'm using the Missmetics bottom lashes. This is my first time using strip bottom lashes, so I just popped that on. I actually like the end result, but I'm not going to lie, I actually struggled. I struggled. Then to set my face, I'm going into the Royal Makeup's glow spray and just spraying that all over. I'm basically bathing in it, and this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Can you guys see the way I'm glowing from within? Yeah, I think my face products did justice. So I hope you guys like this video. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, drop your comment in the comment section about what you think, and subscribe if you have not subscribed. I love you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Let me break it down for ya. No one can love me better, 'cause I'm loving your way. Sweet, sweet.